I'm from a civil background. I graduated in 2016 only. I got passed out in 2016 and I was working in the civil engineering field. Was a site engineer then, and I also got some experience in insurance field. Most part, Learnbay helps me to make myself as an experienced candidate. So I found that data science is a booming nowadays. So I started to search for an exact institute where I can get involved and get some real knowledge about the data science and to get involved in. And after that, when coming to the stats and ML classes, it also a bit easy. When coming to Kumar Sundaram's class, he's a genius in teaching field, I think. Learnbay also give some assignments to get improve ourselves in that. So I try to complete that task with the team itself. So from there we get some knowledge. Okay, this is the company's process, the role of data scientist in the company. Coming to the advanced AI projects and deep learning, he also taught us how it works, and like usual, he start from basic, from scratch to advancement, and also got opportunity to learn about the SQL and Tableau, Power BI, and the BI tools. Like I said, the end-to-end project sessions, especially handled by Kumar Sundaram at weekend classes. So the end-to-end projects gave me a lot of exposure on real-time data. So what kind of the problems the data scientists face in real time. Through the project sessions from Learnbay, we can get more knowledge on various domains, in particularly, not in one domain. They did some mock interview for me, and it helped me a lot to understand the type of questions fresher can face, and what type of answer we need to give, so that how can we present ourselves in explaining the projects. I got some knowledge about the finance domain, healthcare domain, and e-commerce domain, and like that. So various domain knowledge we can get from him through that capstone project sessions. I got placed in for a good package right now. So whenever I meet someone, they used to ask me about my learning journey, how it started, and you switched from civil engineering background to now into the IT field, how that transition happened. So I recommend Learnbay for them. So this is a good platform to make the transition better for them. Yeah.